The health department confirmed 12 cases of the Omicron variant on Oahu. Officials say Delta is still the primary strain. Nikki Schenfeld has what we need to know about Omicron.
Hawaii has detected 12 cases of Omicron on Oahu, and the state health department expects more cases to be announced next week.
We do anticipate having the next issue of our variants report out next week, which will give us a sense of how that is distributed as a proportion of the cases that we're sequencing right now.
Delta remains dominant, causing the vast majority of infections, and experts are watching to see if Omicron takes over.
From the data we have from South Africa, the cases are doubling at a rate of every 1 to 2 days, and relative to Delta, which was doubling every 1 to 5 days. And so that tells us right away that the rate of transmission is much higher.
On Friday, the CDC released data on the first 43 Omicron cases reported in the U.S. 34 of the cases were fully vaccinated. 14 had received their booster dose. 6 had COVID in the past, and 1 Omicron case was hospitalized. The data is similar here at home. Of the 12 confirmed cases, 8 were fully vaccinated. 1 received their booster, and so far, none have been hospitalized.
So I think one of the take-home points here is we are seeing breakthrough with Omicron, as has been anticipated from the earlier reports out of South Africa.
Dr. Daigneault says early data out of the UK shows vaccine effectiveness drops to 35% with 2 Pfizer doses in terms of infection. But effectiveness against severe illness remains high.
With a booster, the effectiveness of the vaccine, so 3 doses of Pfizer, for example, would be restored back to 76% protection against all infections.
Omicron symptoms have so far been mild. The CDC found that 40 of the confirmed cases showed symptoms mirroring the common cold. Only 3 said they lost taste and smell. Doctors warn it's too early to tell what Omicron will do, but say a more infectious virus isn't a good thing.
Delta was not proven to cause more severe illness than other variants, but because it was so transmissible, so contagious, it just led to just a sheer number of cases.
According to Lieutenant Governor Josh Green, fewer than 40 COVID patients are currently hospitalized statewide. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.